Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this kind of unique little thing that we don't get in very often, but a little Yanmar YB401W mobile excavator. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about features, functions, I'll get up close to everything, show you anything that I see, talk about anything I know. Then of course we'll start it up, kind of run it through its paces, let you hear the engine run, kind of show you how it functions. As always, if you are in the market for a used excavator, a used piece of construction, or used piece of farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for similar machines find our videos and find our machines, and we truly do appreciate them. All right, so like I said, this one's a YB401W mobile excavator. Enclosed cab. Does have a backfill blade, Yanmar diesel engine, 4-wheel drive, and it does have the angle boom. I'll get up close to everything here, show you everything that I see. I do know, cranked it up, ran around earlier, seems to run good. These pins up here are actually fairly tight. There's not a lot of play there. The hydraulics seem nice and strong. I don't see any cracks or welds on the boom or the stick. Kind of get up close here. Like I said, the bucket pin seemed pretty tight. This pin up here does have some play in it. I noticed that when I was running around. This cylinder here is seeping a little bit right at this fitting. I don't see any of the other cylinders. They all seem to be pretty dry. I'm sure if you go over it with a fine-tooth comb, you'll find another seep or two somewhere. But I did notice that one. That's really the only one that I noticed. Tires are in pretty darn good shape. There's plenty of life left in those. Rims. I don't see any cracks or welds along the frame. All four tires all the way around match up pretty good. The blade is actually pretty straight. As you can see here, I'll kind of get close. It's not all bent up or bowed. It's actually fairly straight there. Up underneath here. Go around this side too. The sheet metal's all pretty straight back here. This engine enclosure is pretty straight. Same down here, these corners. Everything's pretty straight here. Steps are good on this side. Tires and rims match up the same on the other side. Pretty straight up here. Like I said, this side I don't notice any cracks or welds on the boom or the stick on this side either. We'll go back and take a look inside the engine compartment. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. There we go. Take a look in here. As you can see, everything looks pretty dry up here on top. Same thing. Block's pretty dry there. A little bit of moisture down at the bottom. Kind of hard for me to show it with the camera, but there is a little bit of moisture down there. Overall, looks pretty clean in here. Take a look inside the cab. All the glass looks good in the cab. I don't see any cracks in any of the glass. Maybe. There we go. Floor mat's in good shape here. Pretty clean inside here. Seat's in good shape. I don't see any cuts or tears in the lower part of the seat. Top of the seat's good. The back there. Your controls, your forward, reverse, your 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like I said, ours are 2814. Pedals are in good shape down there. Same thing up here with the steering wheel. Everything looks good up here. I don't have a year model on it. All right, we'll crank it up. We'll get right into an operational video. Like I said, 2,814 hours.